Hey guys, I just want to make this video and just talk about ClickFunnels. I just sent out an email to my list, so I just want to take a snapshot of this before the numbers change, in case anyone goes and takes advantage of some awesomeness that I added to my offer, and just talk about affiliate marketing and how much money you can actually make. Because if there was a time when I did not think I would make thousands of dollars promoting stuff passively using sales funnels. Right? And this is all stuff that's been paid to me as a ClickFunnels affiliate. And the bulk of it has come over the last like 30 days, 60 days here. And I'll explain why. Because the lessons that I took and applied when I took the One Funnel Away Challenge are really what was responsible for a lot of the success. Because when I first started out, I didn't really know. I mean, I was just kind of rough, and I just wanted to promote it. And the cool thing is, they were like, even if you suck at promoting this, like, our product is so awesome, it'll probably still work. Like, people will probably still buy, and you'll get affiliate commissions because of how awesome it is. So even if you're bad at this, chances are you'll probably still make some affiliate sales. So I was like, okay, well, that's good, because I definitely didn't come in thinking that I was excellent at it. So that was good. So the first thing that I did was like, I don't know if I'd seen someone do it or I just kind of like thought to do it, but it was like, okay, I made some videos on YouTube, and then I was like, hey, if you want more like a detailed look at this, I've got a free video where you can watch me go and build out a sales funnel. So the video on YouTube had a link underneath in the description. So when they clicked on the link in the description, it took them over to a simple like opt-in page. Hey, just throw in your name and email and you can get access to this free training. On the next page, I just had an embedded video, and it took up like pretty much the whole page, like a big video. And it was like 35 minutes, 40 minutes of me just building out a sales funnel and then just kind of narrating along the way, talking about how awesome ClickFunnels is. And yeah, it was really great. And then the cool thing is that I think at the end of the video, I was like, hey, yeah, if you like this, you can go and start building your own sales funnel and get like a 2-week trial of ClickFunnels, and go start building your own sales funnels. And I think I might have shown them like, here's some, like some sales that I've made, like sales funnels actually work. And then the button underneath, all the button was just simply an affiliate link to go try out ClickFunnels, right? And the button text was where I worked my real magic, where I was like, click here to try ClickFunnels for free for 14 days, or to claim your 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. So people will see that there's no obligation, because I had people go and sign up and try it out for like a week or two, and then they knew when they were to get billed, and they were like, yeah, ClickFunnels isn't for me, and dropped out for whatever reason, right? So some people look at it and don't appreciate how awesome it is, but that's okay. That's just how it goes. But once I finished taking the One Funnel Away Challenge, then I was like, oh, okay, if you take the affiliate product that you're promoting and then add the value to it strategically, you can create a very powerful offer that works like magic. So if you want to see kind of like how I applied those theories, just go to ShawnBayley.com/fast track, and you can see what I mean as far as like problems or false beliefs associated with the product, and then how you create bonuses to kind of address those false beliefs. So yeah, and then go start promoting stuff as a ClickFunnels partner, because it is awesome and you can make a lot of money. This is nothing. If you see some of the stuff online, this is nothing compared to how much people can make. But I just want to show you, especially if you're just starting out or kind of new at this, like, yeah, you can definitely make money doing this. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.